This is Dr. Aqil Ahmed Javed, and we are once again here to serve you. The topic which I have chosen today is the itching, the skin itching. It is a difficult topic and needs enough time to be cured. But I will try to cover a specific area of itching in a couple of minutes, I think so. So let's start. The specific area which I have chosen, that is thigh itching in thigh. So if you have a redness and itching in thigh area and there is red spots, then you can try Natramur. It's a good medicine for that. If you have redness and spots there, and if anybody scratches the thigh region and itching is there, then the medicine would be Medoranum, because Medoranum case increases by scratches always. That is noted. The next condition is herbs. If you have itching in thigh region with herbs, you can see the herbs picture on your screen right now. Then the medicine would be Carbovich, and another medicine by the name of Tilia. You can see the spelling of these medicine on your screen right now. The other condition of thigh itching is that if you have pimples, if you have pimple in your thigh region, then you can try Staphygaria, sulfur and zincum medicine. These are best medicine for in this condition. And if you have pimple and your itching increases by scratching, then you can use magnesium carbonicum also. The other condition may be if there is burning with itching and rashes, and especially for women, then you can try Res Venita. The spelling you can check of the medicine on your screen right now. The other condition for thigh itching is if you have vesicles on your thighs, then you can try the following medicine: Asterias and Clematis. And if you have simply a thigh itching, then you can try sulfur and Calcarea calm. The other condition, if you have thigh itching with burning, then Almunia and Bratacarb is best medicine. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please keep watching my channel and subscribe my channel so that you can receive the notification as I upload my video. Thank you very much. My name is Dr. Aqil Ahmed Javed. I am basically from Lahore, Pakistan. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.